everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share how I style my hair using a Denman brush. So I'll be showing how I apply my styling products and use the brush to get the most definition. And my hair is almost dry right now. It almost looks straight wavy. That's how my hair looks. So I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. So now without further ado, let's get started. So it's been a while since I got out of the shower. That's why my hair is getting dry. So I need to wet them because styling products work the best when you apply them on soaking wet hairs. And a spray bottle is gonna take forever to make my hair wet. So I'm gonna quickly go in the shower and wet my hair and be right back. But before that, let me thank today's sponsor for the video. Thank you Dermaco for sponsoring this part of the video. So I'm going to be talking about these two products today. So as you might be knowing, the Dermaco is designed by dermatologists and their products really work on the skin. This is the Dermaco 3% AHA BHA foaming face wash. It's a foaming face wash. So on a wet face, apply a generous amount of the face wash and massage in gentle upward circular motion. So this has AHA as well as BHA, which are wonderful for your skin to exfoliate it. So it has mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid. You can use it during the day as well as night. And the AHA in it really makes sure the surface layer dead skin cells are removed, and the salicylic acid really helps to unclog your pores. So with regular use of it, you will see less clogged pores. So one of my skin concerns is the acne spots which my acne leaves. So I do have some spots here. Right now I'm wearing makeup, but you can still see some spots. So this is like a really stubborn issue, I would say, in my skin. And something I like to use to fade away these acne scars is niacinamide. If you have active acne, you should use BHA to reduce the acne. It really works well. But once the acne goes away, it leaves dark spots. And that takes a long time to fade away. And it kind of reduces our confidence. So we might want to cover it up with makeup all the time. I personally am very comfortable in my skin. I really don't mind my spots. But of course, I do treat them as well. So this is where niacinamide plays a really important role. Niacinamide is an active form of vitamin B3, and this ingredient actively works to reduce your acne scars and marks. So this is the Dermaco 10% niacinamide face serum, and you can use it during the day as well as night as part of your skincare routine. It also helps your skin look clear and even textured. So how you can use this serum is, after you cleanse your face, you can take 2 to 3 drops of this serum and massage it gently all over your face and neck. You can use my code Madhushree 2022 to get 20% off on Dermaco website. And whenever you're using any active ingredients, please use a sunscreen. That is really important. So that's it for these two products. Now let's continue with the video. So I'll just quickly run my hair through water, or run water through my hair. Sorry, and be right back. I'm so sorry. I hope you don't mind me filming in a bathrobe. So since my hair is wet now and it is soaking wet, which is really important, I'll be using my favorite curl up cream. So this is like my go-to. It never fails me. So as usual, I'm gonna take about this much for my entire hair, and I usually flip my head upside down and then apply it so that it gives more volume. So now that I've applied it, I first take this brush. Okay, let me just clarify, this is a fake Denman brush. Print is kind of gone, but the font was wrong. The original Denman brush has a different font. This was a regular font. I had ordered it from Amazon and that seller gave me a fake one. And there was no return option, but I did get a refund after contacting the customer service. So this is basically free. I didn't have to pay for it. And before this, I used to use another Denman brush dupe. It wasn't even a Denman brush. It looked like a Denman brush. I had got that from AliExpress. But I don't use that anymore. I use this one. It has 7 rows. It looks exactly like the Denman brush and it works also really well. So I never bothered to buy the original one because this works for me. So first I just distribute it evenly and just make sure there's no tangles in my hair. So I just brush normally And once I'm kind of done with that, I brush my hair in sections. So this I do sometimes, otherwise I just take random sections and roughly brush it for a quick routine. But when I have extra time, I take sections and I brush it. So I've divided my hair into 2 sections and I'm going to start from here. So I'll just take a section about this much in density. I'll start brushing from here and add some kind of tension, because when you add tension, the curls kind of bounce back. It's kind of like ribbon when you use a scissor and you do that to the ribbon curls, right? So similar to that, it makes your curls look even more curly. So just use tension and brush it. And at the end, what I do is I slightly twist it like this and let it fall. And then you can shake it or just let it be and scrunch it. You should hear this sound. Squishy sound. If you don't, that means your hair is dry, so add more water. I'll show it again, okay? So first, with tension, brush it, just slightly twist it. And front sections, I'm gonna keep it for last. Let me show you again on this side. If you feel your hair is tangled, so first brush it normally and then style it. Take the section, brush with tension, and then kind of twist it at the end. And shake so that the curls come back and scrunch. It really makes my curls look even more curly. My hair type is pretty loose. I mean, the curls are pretty loose. But whenever I use a Denman brush, it looks very curly. So I'm not gonna shake and scrunch each time because that will take a long time. So I'm just gonna brush first and later scrunch. One more way of using this brush, there are many ways of using it, but sometimes I also like to first brush it and then twist it completely like this. Even this works really well. So this kind of works like finger coiling. So if you have really loose curly pattern or wavy hair or hair like mine, that can work really well for you. So now for the front section, what I do is, so these are some front sections, right? So usually what people do is they take one section and they comb it like that. I comb it like this way so that it gives me more volume. And also remember, whenever you're brushing any section, right, don't brush it in this direction because that weighs your hair down. It makes you look chapku and it doesn't give that much volume. So if you want bouncy results, always brush in this direction. So now I'm gonna scrunch my entire hair. I'm not hearing a lot of squishy sound. Since I'm talking during the video, my hair is getting dry. My hair gets dry really quickly, so I'm just gonna spray some water. If it happens with you, if your hair starts getting dry, you can also do this. Because when you scrunch your hair, when it's not that wet, you don't get the best results. It kind of looks frizzy. So now I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and scrunch in all possible directions. This is the sound you should hear. I love scrunching because it really enhances my curls even more. Now I'm gonna add gel. Some people like to use gel before using the Denman brush. I personally like to use a leave-in cream or conditioner, whatever I'm using, and then brush my hair. And at the end, I like to use a gel because I don't rake my fingers through. I just apply the gel upar se. So I'm using the Ashba gel. This is a really strong gel, love it. I take a lot of it, about this much, spread it on my hands, and I first applied upar se so that all my hair is coated, and I kind of slap my hair like this very gently because I don't want to break the definition whatever I have worked on. So just upar se I apply like this. And at this point, I still have a lot of gel on my hands. Once I'm done applying upar se, I scrunch it so that the ends also get the gel and it kind of travels throughout my hair. I'm just gonna diffuse my hair using the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. This is like the best hair dryer available. Very expensive though. Love the diffuser especially. Of course, it's very powerful, but I love the diffuser specifically. So I'm just gonna quickly diffuse. I have a separate video on how I diffuse my hair, so you can check it out. And I'll be right back. Bye. So now my hair is 100% 90% dried, and I do have the gel cast which we have to scrunch out. Make sure your hand is clean and completely dry. You can use any lightweight serum oil if you want to. I'm gonna skip that and I'm going to scrunch it till the crunch is gone or the gel cast is gone. It feels very crunchy, right? If you don't mind that crunch, you can keep it also, but if you scrunch it out, it gives softer results and more volume. And I also fluff my roots. Today I have, some frizz. They don't look that juicy because my hair was getting very dry while styling. That's why it's important for your hair to be wet, extremely wet, dripping wet, if you want moisturized, juicy results. This also works. It's not bad, but it's not how I expected it to be, but it's okay. I'm gonna still upload this video. This is the finished result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and sometimes Wednesday. And today's comment shout out goes to Apurva. Thank you so much for your comment and I will see you in my next video. Bye.